I'll show you how raw liquid silicone is transformed into incredibly lifelike baby dolls for American collectors. Don't forget to subscribe.
The process begins by precisely weighing the 2 parts of medical-grade liquid silicone.
A powerful vacuum removes every single microscopic air bubble to ensure flawless, realistic skin.
Artists apply many translucent layers of silicone paint to build up realistic skin depth and texture.
The most tedious part is micro-rooting fine mohair, one single strand at a time, to create a realistic hairline.
The parts are assembled onto a weighted cloth body, making the doll feel exactly like a real baby when held.
These handcrafted works of art are packed with care and shipped directly to collectors across America.
And that's the incredible art and science behind making realistic silicone baby dolls. Thanks for watching and subscribe